Alright, welcome back to German with John Berlin, and today we'll be doing a little introduction in the German language, right? What we had begun our lessons with. So we'll be doing these sentences in German. Let's see if we can get them. Before we get started, here are some verbs we can of course update. Yes, the first verb is heißen. So we already did this. I suppose we didn't conjugate. Let's conjugate it. So heißen is to be cold. I'm cold John Berlin. Ich heiße John Berlin. So ich heiße, you are cold, let's say Mark. Du heißt Mark. Ja? He, she, it, sie, es heißt. Perfekt. Wir heißen, we are cold. Yes. Ihr heißt, you all are cold. Oder sie heißen, or sie heißen, they are cold. Or formal, you are cold. Perfect. Now moving forward, there's another verb, kommen, which means to come from, kommen aus. Yes, ich komme aus, I come from. Du kommst aus, you come from. Sie, es kommt aus, he, she, it comes from. Wir kommen aus, we come from. Ihr kommt aus, you all come from. Yes, and sie, sie kommen aus, they come from, or you come from, formal. Perfect. So these were our verbs to come, yes, and aus is just like from in English. It's a preposition. Perfect. Moving forward, let's do the next verb, which is wohnen. Yes, what is the meaning of wohnen? It's to dwell. Where do you basically dwell? In which city do you dwell? Yes. So the verb is wohnen, regelmäßig verb, simple verb. Ich wohne in, yes. Du wohnst in, you live, you dwell in. Yeah, sie, es wohnt in, perfect. Okay, wir wohnen in, ihr wohnt in, perfect. And sie, sie wohnen in. So basically, to correct, to wohnen is the place where you live, like it's a house or it's an apartment, it's whatever type of yes, place you have. It's wohnen. Ich wohne in einem Haus. I live in a house. Ich wohne in einer Wohnung. I live in an apartment. Yes. Ich wohne in einem Palast. I live in a palace, whatever. So that's wohnen. Where do you dwell? Okay. Moving forward, we go to leben. Now, which city do you live in? That will be the correct one. Yes. So the simple verb, regelmäßig verb, regular verb, ich lebe, du lebst, sie, es lebt. Yes, and it'll be ich lebe in, du lebst in, sie, es lebt in, wir leben in, ihr lebt in, or sie, sie leben in. Perfect. Then the verb is to work. Yes, to work at someone's place. So ich arbeite bei, you could say anything, by Google, at the place of Google. Yes, Google's company. Okay. Du arbeitest, you work. Yes, bei, sie, es arbeitet bei, wir arbeiten bei. Yes, ihr arbeitet bei, sie, sie arbeiten bei. So these are just some prepositions which we are just starting off to learn, and in the future lessons we'll be learning them even more. So yes, that's the way to say I work at. Yes, ich arbeite bei. Perfect. Moving forward, we'll do a little bit of introduction with the help of the verbs we learned. So you could basically introduce your name, their Name, with the help of the verb heißen. Ich heiße John Berlin, or mein Name ist John Berlin. Both are right. So let's write here, my name is John Berlin, or I could say ich heiße John Berlin. Yes, with the help of the verb heißen. So ich heiße, okay, John Berlin. Perfect. Okay, we could alter, it's the H, yeah, and basically it could be used with the help of the verb sein, which is to be, I am. Jahre alt, Jahre is years, alt is the adjective old. Yes, so I'm 33 years old. So it'll be ich bin. Now we still haven't done the numbers, so just be with me. 33 Jahre alt. I am 33 years old. Okay, so where do I dwell? Basically, wohnen. So let's write down here wohnen. Yes, little bit of correction here. So ich wohne in einer Wohnung. I live in an apartment. Ich wohne in einer Wohnung. Perfect. Now, where do you come from? Das Heimatland, home country. I come from Germany. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Perfect. So the verb is to come, aus. Moving forward, der Beruf, it's the profession, and we could do it with the verb sein. Yes. That means I am teacher from profession. Ich bin ein Lehrer vom Beruf. Perfect. Super duper. So this was an example. And we could also talk about the Familie. So we already know there is es gibt. We could use es gibt, the verb geben. And members is Mitglieder. Yes. So I need to say I have 4 members in my family. I could say ich habe, I have, 4 is 4. Mitglieder is right here, Mitglieder. Ich habe 4 Mitglieder in der Familie. Perfect. And then, of course, we could do the verb, talk about the hobbies with the help of the verb ich mag. You could say, for example, I like teaching, reading, writing, painting, and boxing. Ich mag unterrichten, lesen, schreiben, malen und Boxkampf. Perfect. Okay, Boxkampf. Gucken would be the right thing to say, to watch boxing matches. Okay, fantastic. So what you people could do, this is not an answer-based exercise, which you would find the answers in the answer book. You could simply make your own sentences with these clues. And yes, perfect. That'll be a little bit of training for you to introduce yourself in the German language. Fantastic. So thanks for joining me in this lesson, and we'll catch up in the next lesson and learn about certain more important details. Yes. So till then, this is Joe in Berlin signing off. Bye-bye.